Hi everyone, Adam and Maria here, Fitness Together Burlington, gonna take us through how to set up the dumbbell row. So we've got two different base positions we can set this exercise up from. For both iterations, we're gonna have the non-working hand on the bench. You can set up with feet in a wider than hip width position, or you can take the leg and drop it back. Either one is totally acceptable. They are both going to yield the same position and result. So for today's demonstration, Maria is going to go from the wide stance. So we can go ahead and grab that dumbbell. We are going to have our starting position, body weight, mostly back towards the heels here. That's going to help lock that lower back in place, no wiggling around here. To start, the shoulder blade is going to be hanging fully down. That's going to allow for full protraction of the shoulder blade. To start this rep, Maria is going to start to draw that shoulder blade back, and as she does that, she's going to drive that elbow up, pulling toward her hip pocket. Looking to feel a lot of upper back, a little bit of that arm. On the way down, you're going to allow that shoulder blade to glide all the way down. Now, we want to make sure as that shoulder blade glides down that we're not allowing that torso to twist. We want to keep your chest completely flat to the floor here. If you want to progress this exercise, we've got two main options. We can add a tempo, so adding a 3 count on the way up, 2, 3, hold, and then a slow release of that weight back down. Alongside that, we can go with the more obvious progression, which would be an increase in dumbbell size. Again, this has been Maria and Adam at Fitness Together Burlington. Thanks for watching.